Hello friends, in this video we are going to see Java collection framework. It's a overview video. Java collections. So the collection in Java is a framework for storing and retrieving objects. We already used arrays in language tutorial playlist and this channel. So in arrays actually we store objects, a collection of objects or a collection of integers, a collection of a string, so a collection of characters, so whatever you call. So in array we store objects or primitive types. So collection is similar to that, but here arrays are fixed in size. With collection, storage is taken care by Java. So array, we initially define the size for the array. After that we start storing the content of the array. But in collection, the storage is taken care by Java. Means we don't define the size, we start adding the elements to the collection. So the size will be automatically grown when the incoming element exceeds the size. The collection offers methods for data manipulation. In arrays we use the index, that means within the square bracket we specify the index number, and using that notation we will read or write the elements into the array. But in collection we use the methods for doing the data manipulation. If we want to read an element, we will call a relevant method, and if we want to write something to the collection, we call a relevant method. Unlike arrays, collection stores only objects. So we cannot store primitive types in a collection, but in array we can store that. But there is a way around. We can convert the primitive types as a boxed object. Say for example, the primitive type int we cannot store, but we can store integer object. That means the boxed value of int we can store. So we already covered boxing and unboxing. So that way you can convert the primitive type to a boxed value, then you can store that inside the collection. Collection interface. Collection interface is the root interface in Java's collection framework. So the collection interface offers some methods. Here we listed important methods. Since it's the base or the root interface, all the collection classes supports these methods. So if we want to add an element, we can call the add method and we will pass the element to the method. And if we want to remove an element, we will specify the element, and the collection framework will search for that element, then it will remove it from the collection. Clear will remove all the elements in the collection and keeps the collection empty. So the isEmpty method tells whether the collection is empty or it at least have one element in it. I mean one or more element in it. So after clear, if you call isEmpty, then this method will return false to you. The size method returns number of elements in the collection. Contains method will tell whether the object is a part of the collection. So if you pass an object O, then the collection framework will be searched for that particular object. Then it will tell whether that particular object is inside the collection or not. We can also retrieve an iterator for the collection, and we can use that iterator to iterate through the collection. We can also use a for each loop, and we will learn about for each loop and iterator when we are proceeding with this video series. So it's a short video and it just gave you the overview of collection. In the coming videos we will look into different type of collection in Java collection framework. So all the collections stays at java.util package. I would say most of the frequently used collections. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.